Hey guys, wanna know how to add or create subtitles in DaVinci Resolve? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. So first off, make sure you have imported a clip or an image to your timeline. Once you've done that, this should appear. Now once you've dragged and dropped it to the timeline, head towards this edit icon right here. Simply click on it and then you will be directed to tracks. Now, right here on this highlighted area, just simply right click whenever you want and then select add subtitle track. Now what that does is you can now add subtitles easily with this. Now click on this empty timeline right here and then select add subtitle. And there you go. Your subtitle text has been created. Now you can just simply drag its edge and increase or decrease it as you want and double click on it and edit it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also change the track colors, font and so much more by just going on track. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos.